contact information. This is my Twitter. I will answer you all the time. And then if you have questions, there's my email and Twitter. So open source celebrates an open exchange and collaborative participation. It's really a meritocracy. It's fantastic. So the benefits of contributing, especially as a new dev, you're able to practice and improve, especially in things that you may not be comfortable with. You can take on new frameworks and really delve into that code base. You can also find mentors. So I was lucky enough to do my first pull request at an open source night for Empire.js. And the maintainers of many open source projects were there. And we still kept in contact, and I'll actually show you something that he's worked out for me later. And you're able to publicly grow a reputation because all open source is public, and it's empowering. So a lot of the hesitation around open source is like, what project should I work on? I'm not really sure where I can contribute. Here are some places. Go ahead and take a picture. Later on, if you tweet at me, I will give you the links. Especially your first PR and first timers only. For GitHub, those are two really great resources because first timers only creates a label. So Hoodie HQ is actually hood.ie is a project that I work on. And the first timers only label, right now there are no open issues, but hopefully there will be soon. It's just a great way to get into the code base without feeling like you're taking on too much. Since open source is something that you do on the side, you're volunteering, the maintainers are usually volunteering. So my mentor, Gregor, he and I had a call and he's like, listen, I really want to use your skills since you finished the boot camp. Let me create an issue for you. So this is only one page. There's like another page and a half of documentation that he wrote on his own time for me to make this first timers only bot. Immediately when he put it up, there were at least 2 people like that second. They were like, ooh, I want this issue. So first timer issues are very exciting and they go fast. So when you're looking at an open source project, make sure that they have an open source license. Is it actively accepting contributions? And also take a look at their open issues and their open pull requests. Take a look at their responses. How are the maintainers speaking to the people who are volunteering to put in their time? And if they have a code of conduct, and if they're friendly and inclusive. So it's time to submit a contribution. You need to communicate clearly. Sometimes the documentation of an open source project will tell you exactly how they want the pull request to look like. So do your homework. Read the README. Somebody took time to read it or make it. You might as well read it, please. So look for an open issue, or you can create an issue. So if there's an open source project that you usually work with, you can take a look and see if there's a typo in their documentation. If something's not documented correctly, those are really easy ways that you can contribute without feeling like you need to know the entire code base and maybe you're a little nervous jumping in for the first time. Make your pull request, and then you wait. And then sometimes you still wait, because a lot of people are doing this on their free time. So don't get anxious if it doesn't get merged and squashed right away. Take the time, reach out to the people who are maintaining it. Maybe they're, it's year end or something, they're trying to get something done. Go for it. So go out, contribute to open source, and tweet at me. We can get coffee. I'm crazy addicted to coffee, so anytime. Really, it doesn't matter. All right. Thank you.